Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, September 11th, 9/11. And I'm going to let you know what we did today, guys. Today we had one, two, three opportunities in the ES, two in the TF. Actually, would have been a scratch, and then the third one in the TF anyway, but I didn't want anybody to take it. Let me tell you what we did here. Okay. The first trade that we had was a long. Okay. Long trade was at 1991. We would have taken it a little bit lower, but there was some potential stuff in the way here. Wanted to wait for a little bit more confirmation. So we got long at 1991. Said it should go up to 93. I did have another target at 375 short term, but the market had to get above 93 first. So we just made a couple points in that trade. Any runners at 91 would have been stopped out at break even. We wouldn't have given back anything on the last trade, but most of your contracts would have been off here because the market had one, two, three candles trouble of getting through. And that was just a 2-point trade. When the market came down here, we did have people short here at 90.75. I am not going to count the trade, even though it was a beautiful trade. I am not going to count the trade because it just wasn't clear everybody heard me. We had some issues going on, and just won't be fair to count it. So I'm going to just say that that wasn't even a trade, but there was an entry here. Okay, some people did take it, and we actually was the best trade of the day for those that did. But again, I'm not going to count that. We did get short down here. I was a little weary of this price action here. We did get short down here at 85.50. We added at 87.50 the position, and I got everybody out here with a -1 tick. Okay, I said just exit the trade because if they don't go back below 85.50, it's going to be over to the downside, and they're going to go up. Okay, so that was a small loser there, tick maybe two. Okay, depending on where you got out. Market came back up. We got long here at 90.75. 90.75. We got long. Again, that one worked out for a couple points. The room then closed. Okay, the room then closed here. And I said that even though we think that the market's going to go higher, and this thing could go up, if it gets up another couple ticks, probably going to 6/4. I said if you want to stay in the trade, that's fine. That's perfectly acceptable. However, everybody was at entry at 90.75. Nobody would have been taken out, okay, on their runners. Everybody had made 2 points in the trade already. And again, I'm only going to count 2 points because the room closed. But we gave clear instructions, and we were looking for 6/4, which as we speak, we just closed the room a little bit ago. We stayed a little late. And this is still a trade in progress here. But again, in our stat sheet, we're only going to count 2 points there. Again, on the TF, these are just bonus trades because we always want to give the least profit examples. The TF typically will go further. We did have a long trade. It would have been around 162, 162.7 right here long. That one went for about 18 ticks, which is about 6 ES points. And that was a beautiful trade there if you took it into TF. Down here, okay, down here, what I said was in the TF, either don't take it or wait for it to come up around 10 ticks. Okay, and then if you would have waited for it to come up 10 ticks, when it shot down here, you would have had your first profit in. Either go to entry, or if you wanted to give it, it would either been a total break even, or you would have made a little bit of money on that. But again, I'm not even going to count that one. And then when the market came up here, I was specifically asked again because a couple people did wanted to take it in TF. Can we take it here? Absolutely. Get long here. And that one is obviously, as you can see, still working. And I mean, that's right now, that's about 40, 45 ticks, okay, which is 11 ES points. Okay, so beautiful opportunities here today. 3 trades in the ES. One was a very small loser, as you can see here. And 2 nice winners, 2 couple point winners there. So, and again, if you took it in the TF, you made even more. So we're going to come back tomorrow, do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a great day and happy trading.